I ain't know my phone ain't wrong. Hey, y'all, what's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? I won't sleep. I promise I won't sleep. What you doing over here? You laying all up on me, hogging all the cup. Oh, we in it, big. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I won't sleep. Okay. I won't sleep. Look, you guys, I'm making a video on how to transplant your tomatoes into a 5-gallon bucket. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love you guys, okay? Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Click the like and subscribe button. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? I love you. You're the best. Okay, you guys, we're going to talk about transplanting your tomatoes. I did this video one time already, and I'm doing it all over again for one of my Skinny Boy farmers on Facebook, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Check it out. She was talking about tomatoes, and I told her I was going to do one anyway, but I did it. Here is the product, and the camera was not rolling, but for only like 1 minute. So I'm doing it all over again for you guys. That's how much I love you, okay? I love you. If you see me looking at that thing, I'm making sure it's not cutting off. Anybody got no time for that? Anybody got no money? So first thing you want to do, start off with a bucket. You guys, I got these from Home Depot, delivered. Did I take my phone in? I got these from Home Depot, delivered. And they deliver them right to your house. And when I got my 5-gallon buckets, they were $2.48, but now they're $3.48. So if you order 10, it's gonna be $34. You know, I'm gonna show you. I ain't got the lie, Craig. Ain't nobody gonna lie, Craig. And then if you want to get the half size, half of this, y'all, they have them for $1.98. Oh, where's my where that? There they go. $1.98. So go to HomeDepot.com. No, I ain't trying to advertise HomeDepot.com, but I love it. I use it. Thank you. Okay. Do what you want to do, you guys. It's your garden. Grow stuff. Okay, so let's just jump right into this video. Starting off with a clean bucket, if you can. If you don't have a clean bucket, go to the local grocery stores, anywhere you can get to. You know, you might have a bucket laying around. A bucket might be behind the shed. A bucket might be somewhere. If you don't have a bucket, improvise, y'all. Y'all know what I do. I use everything I can get my hand on. Okay. So I have a Home Depot bucket, and what I'm gonna do is drill some holes in the bottom. Let me get you down here with me, because it's not about me. And we're doing tomatoes, you guys. Now, you know we're not growing them in the ground, so you have to take special care of what you're doing when it comes to your tomato plants. Okay, and I learned so much from everybody out here growing tomatoes in containers. So do your research, you guys. Do your research. Y'all, I just got this drill a few days ago, and I'm trying it out. Oh, here we go. Okay. Here we go. So we're just gonna drill some holes in the bottom. Lord, you got to go to work on Myra's feet. Lord. Whoa! You got to go to work on these toes. You trying to drill that corn off the back of that foot? Ooh! Oh, Lord. You got that Shout out to Martin Lawrence. I hope they come back. You got to go to work on Myra's feet, girl. You got to go to work. And for those of you who don't know who Martin Lawrence is in the channel, check it out. In the Martin Lawrence Show. And then we're going to put one in the middle. Wow, you guys. I did it. I finally did it my first time using my drill. I didn't even know how to hook this thing up a few minutes ago, but my friend came out and hooked it up for me. Now what I'm gonna do, you know I gotta be extra. And I got my little cheat paper up here, so I don't wanna forget to tell y'all nothing. So I made me a little cheat sheet. So that's that little piece of paper blowing up. But what I do to cheat, I'm gonna go right below this line. If you have one of these buckets, it's a little line around there. That could be a little water reservoir. not a water reservoir because the water's going to drain out. But I want to take one and go here around the side like that. And then I'm going to do it again over here. I'm loving this drill, y'all. Y'all know I'm just making holes. You're making holes. And in the wrong spot. But long as they get drainage, you guys, they'll love you in the end. Okay, okay. So we have our holes drained, drilled, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix the soil together. Now you want a little bit of everything that you're not gonna get from Mother Nature. So this is some of our cow manure, well, our compost, and fill it up a third of the way with our compost. Like I said, I'm doing this video again, you guys. I had this compost ready for something else. Okay, okay. Now I gotta do it all over again, but that's okay, because I want you guys to know exactly what I'm doing. So I put a little compost in there. Now I'm gonna get the lime. And you guys follow the instructions on the products that you're buying. When they say put gloves on, put them on. Because everybody's skin is not gonna react the way that everybody's skins react. Y'all know. And anybody got no money for an emergency room? But anybody got no money? So I cut it open. And I'm going to take a little bit of this lime. And this lime has a lot of calcium in it. And it also has the tomato plant on the front of it. I didn't pay attention to that, but I know what lime is used for. Do your research. Do your research, okay? So I'm going to sprinkle that in there. Not the whole bag. Just half of it. I'm going to sprinkle some vermiculite in there. This is just me, y'all. Do what you like to do. I'm putting a little vermiculite in mine because it holds moisture. And then this plant food right here, the numbers on it, for the people who are into the numbers, the phosphorus, the nitrogen, and all that, the calcium, it's 24, 8, and 16. That's a big number compared to my worm castings, which is a 100. Which also, let's go ahead and throw them in there. Throw some worm castings in there. And then I've already mixed it. This is a water-soluble plant food from Expert Gardener. Okay? So I've already mixed that with water right here. Like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this video, y'all. So I'm just going to pour some water. Yeah, I poured a lot. In there like that. And then I'm going to fill it some more. With my compost. Because everybody can't lift a lot of stuff, y'all. Do things in slow time and in succession, and take your time. And I'm going to take my little shovel. Let me turn this over so y'all can see what I'm doing. And mix it up. I think we got everything. We got our worm castings, we have our vermiculite, we have our lime. You know, if you don't have all that, y'all, use what you got. And I'm just mixing that. This is the bottom layer. Because the roots will reach down here in a little bit. Okay? So now we're going to go get our plant. And I'm going to take you right along with me. We have a shovel. And that lime gives your plants calcium, you guys. Let me turn the camera up. Sorry, I don't want to make you dizzy. Now I'm going to dig up another plant because I have so many tomatoes. So I'm able to do another video with another tomato plant. And I think I found one right here. You see this one, you guys? I told y'all I had a surprise. When I was telling y'all I'm growing lettuce and everything else too, I'm also dropping seeds in the ground. Look at this tomato plant. She loves it. She loves where she's at. I hope I didn't... Okay, I hope I'm recording. But yeah, she loves her spot. Look, and she survived the frost. Look how thick that is. I'm going to pile some manure around that so those roots can come out, y'all, because those little fine thorns are roots. But to keep this video short and sweet, we're going to get this little guide gal right here in the midst of the lettuce. Sometimes I believe the lettuce sheltered my plants. Look at her. I have about almost 20 tomatoes in here. So you guys, me digging them up, I'm not losing. Oh Lord, there's a baby right there. I didn't want to mess with the baby. That's okay. We're gonna put both in the ground. Can you see me right here? I'm gonna take and go further away, as far as away as you can get, and lift it up. Then I'm gonna come on this side as far as away as I can get. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Radish, y'all. Yeah, food already growing. And then I'm gonna lift her out the ground carefully. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I still recording? Because I don't want to do this all over again. Oh, there we go. And you can see the brown soil that I put down in there when I planted it. The original soil. So, see, we're lifting our baby out without struggling. And you want to hurry up and get to the emergency room, because we don't want these babies left out. Sorry, I twisted that camera with one hand, y'all. I don't know how I did it, but it didn't fall. So we're gonna come back up here to where we made our great soil. Put the camera back right here. Bring you back into the workshop. You see all this, you guys? I don't know who planted all that stuff. Okay, she's down here. I'm gonna put a lot of her original soil in there. She, he, whatever type of plant. But yeah, I'm just gonna drop it down in there because I don't want her to go in complete shock. You see that? I dropped that whole brick of soil and this baby in there. Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna take that soil and throw it up there because we're trying to avoid pests, you know, since we're doing container gardening on the deck. So we got these guys here. We're gonna put them down in there just like that. Well, first let's add some more soil. And you know we got all of our fertilizer and everything down at the bottom. You don't have to fill your containers all the way up because ain't nobody got no money. Ain't nobody got no money, okay? We work with what we got. And if you can fill it up like that, you're doing good. And this is some great compost from my neighbor. You guys saw the video. And I'm just gonna mix it up. And you know we have our good fertilizer at the bottom. If you wanna pull a little bit of that up, dig your hand down in there like that, and just mix it in, you can. Because the tomato roots are gonna find it. Okay. So we're gonna take our plants right here and sit them down in there just like that and cover it up with more manure. There we go. That big drop. And see y'all, just stuff like this, just that manure, I take it and throw it in the garden. Throw it in the garden. And this is our big baby right here. Push down towards the middle and the bottom. Pull this dead leaf off. Come to find out, my phone was fully out of memory. My little laptop on the video thing, y'all. That's why it didn't come up. Now, if you want to pile some dirt around this root, go ahead. Matter of fact, I'm going to pour all this in there. Because those little hairs will make roots. And I think these little balls are some balls that I don't want to be touching, but that's okay. It's okay. The animals got to live and eat and poop too. So there you have it, you guys. Now I'm going to take the fertilizer that we mixed. Plant food fertilizer from Expert Garden. And a little bit of the 511. I mixed in there just a tap. And water it. You can pour some out extra, okay? Just like that. And let it sink on down because this plant is strong. If a big strong storm came through, she'd have to survive it. And I just wait because I have it sitting on another bucket And when I see that water coming out of the bottom, I know, okay, we've drained her well. Because during the summer, y'all gonna have to take care of these plants. Don't bite off more than you can chew, because they're gonna need water. I work a full-time job. I'm not able to water them all day, every day. I'm gonna have to start getting up extra early and watering my plants, you guys, like I normally do. But that's a part of my job. I love you guys. You're the best. So there you have it. We planted our plant in a bucket, 5-gallon bucket. And that's just how you do that. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, click like and subscribe. Share the video. Click a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay? Okay? I love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it.